Now in this video we are going to learn about Cramer's rule or Cramer's matrix method. So this method involves few steps. First we need to find the determinant D. Okay, first step. Later we need to find dx and dy, or in some cases it will called as delta x, delta y. This will called as delta. Okay. Any terminology same. Here I am using the d instead of the delta and dx and dy. Last, in everything, the final result, we need to simplify the equation. So we need to find the x and y, right? So therefore we need to get the x and y values. We are using such type of matrix methods. Here we are finding delta and delta like dx and dy, or delta x or delta y. Later a small thing is there. There we will see. Okay, first let us go into the directly question only. You will get the clear idea. First, what I said, we need to find the determinant and dx and dy. First let us find for this question. Okay, our question is 2x plus y is 5, like 2x plus y is equals to 5, and x plus y, which is 3. Directly here only you can find 2x plus y, x plus y, 5 and 3, right? When you apply the minus to this, y get cancelled, then x will be the 2, right? Simply when you kept x equals to 2 here, then y will be the 1. So final answer we need to get in this format. Okay, now let us see this thing x and y by Cramer's method. First let us find the determinant. Determinant d, which is equals to, write the things 2 1 2 1, like these are the which is the format like ax equals to b, right? The matrix. Nothing, a is the coefficient, x are the variables, and b are the constants. Okay, see, these are the constants, these are the variables, and these are the coefficients. Okay, 2 1, and here 1 1, right? 1 1, which is equals to, you need to do in the formula like 2 into 1 2, and minus 1 into 1 1, like a b c d, right? Like a d minus b c will be the determinant. Okay, 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1 1, which is equals to 1. Determinant d, which we got as 1. Now let us find the dx and dy. This is a somewhat little bit tricky. You need to place the values carefully here. So this is a simple problem. Here you don't need to focus of much importance. Going forward, there will be a lot advanced problems. There you need to place the values carefully. Okay. In the dx, right, in the position of x, instead of 2 1, we are replacing with the 5 and 3. Like we are replacing with the constants like 5 and 3, and 1 and 1 replacing. Find the determinant dx, you will get the 2. Same like 5 into 1 5, minus 1 into 3 3. When you do so, 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay, same way find the dy, determinant dy. Here for the dx, what we done, we kept the coefficient like constant values in place of the x coefficients. Same way for the dy, if you need the things, means you need to replace the y coefficients into the constants. Okay, nothing but replacing the y values to the constants. Okay, 2 1 as it is. Here we are replacing with the 5 and 3. If you do so, we will get the 1. Okay, now okay, we're done with the dx and dy. Then how we need to find x and y values, means simply x equals to dx by d Okay, x is equals to dx by d or delta x by delta. Now what we got, dx as 2 and d as 1, nothing but 2. Hence satisfied? Yes, this is satisfied. Now let us go for the y. dy by d or delta y by delta, which is equals to the 1 by 1, which is 1. See, and satisfied? Yes, satisfied. These are the simple things. Okay. And now let us move for somewhat more complicated problem. Let us take the 3 cross 3 matrix oriented question. Okay. Our question is like this. Let us find the determinant d. D equals to write the all the coefficients. So here you need to do few things. I will give you the clarity. What I written? Plus, minus, plus, and I have taken the brackets. Okay. First one write the 1 here. 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into 2, 2, which is like 7. Okay. Same way 1 for the 1. So when you're taking here, you need to ignore like this. Okay. You need to ignore like this. If you're ignoring like this, then what are the left? 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 1, 1. Now for the 1, you need to ignore like this. Okay. You need to ignore like this. Now 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 3, 3. So this is how the things will be. When you simplify, so you will get the determinant as 3. This is how you need to follow to get the determinant. Okay. I'll just find the dx. Dx is nothing but same, replacing for the dx in terms of x coefficient, we are replacing with the constants. Okay, replacing with the constants. Put the 6, 14, 14 here, and same y coefficients, x, z coefficients are the same. I can find the determinant. If you find, so you will get the value as 0. Okay. Here use the smart work. Always you no need of calculating the 14 into 3, 14, 14 into 2, 14 into 3. Simply remove, like 14.2 minus 14.3, which is nothing but minus 14, right? Like 14.1. This is how the simple things will work. Okay, in terms of calculation. Let us go for the dy. Dy same, replace the y coefficients with constants and find the determinant of the dy. Then you will get the dy as 12. Same way, replace the z with the coefficients. Then find the determinant of dz. You will get the 6. Now ultimate thing is, our goal is to find the values of the variables like x and y, z. Okay. Now x and y, z, nothing but dx by d. Dx is 0, d is 3, something 0 by something is 0 only. For the y, dx by d, which is 4. For the z, z by d, nothing but 6 by 3, which is equals to 2. So x, y, z is nothing but 0, 4 and 2. Okay. This is how the Cramer's rule to find the variables. Okay. I hope you got the idea on this. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching this.